One action.
Hey guys, cooking food.
Thursday through Sunday.
Yeah. Hi, Jimmy's dad.
Every other weekend.
Hi, Ingrid.
Hi.
I hate Junior. Please help me. I want to get out of this job.
Okay. What food did you cook, Chef?
I was thinking of becoming a truck driver.
So I cook all of this and everything, you know. After that, I work here, but Dawson he doesn't like it. Please help me. Please bring Santa Claus. Cause I want to get out of this job.
After all the times I played Mario Bros, I think I could beat Bowser.
All right. Please. Just give him like a...
Or I might throw him in lava.
Okay, please.
Yeah, but
And Junior, I'll step on him 3 times.
All right, bet. Why is Mario high? Look.
He's mushroom high. Mario, you eat way too much mushrooms.
For my parents and him to have his own space. And I felt like the houses inside were cheaper, but like 1,400 square foot was the average for our price range. We just needed like more space.
So, yes, thank you.
You do.
All right, back. Bye.